I told you 4 simple steps. By using you can earn money from AI from your home. Listen carefully. First, content writer. Yes, by using the AI tools like ChatGPT, you can write the content as different articles, blogs, social media posts, video script. Many content creators require this. Many website and companies also require this. So sell them. Second, as the video editor, create the beautiful video by using different AI tool and sell them. Many content creators on social media require such beautiful video, and also companies require such beautiful video. Third, as a graphic designer, by using the AI tool like Canva, you can make the logo, posters, and also social media graphics and sell to the companies, hotels, schools, and sell to the companies. They are highly demand. And as a tutoring, if you have the in specific subject, you have the teaching the specific subject and make the notes, and also the representation, make the representation notes by using the AI tools and sell them to the students. You can also earn the money. So there are 4 simple steps. Share this very important step to the maximum and told the persons how to earn money from AI using such 4 simple steps. Sure, thanks.